Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to talk about, kind of an attitude some expats have when they move here to town. As always, if you need more information, they're in the descriptive box below with links to various websites, including Amazon.com, that has the book for sale this story came from called Living, There's No Place Like Home, and all the other books in the best-selling series, San Miguel de Allende Secrets. A Facebook pal posted an activity for the upcoming afternoon of Holy Thursday. Holy Thursday is part of Holy Week, San Miguel de Allende's most visited week of the year that leads up to Easter. I sent a gal a private message reminding her Thursday is Holy Thursday, so downtown will be closed to traffic with gridlock in the surrounding streets. So perhaps another day would be better for her guests that need to arrive to the activity by car. I was surprised after years of living here she didn't recall how hectic this time of year is. Her exasperated reply was brief and to the point. Quote, "I don't care what the locals are doing." Well, that was certainly a succinct way of summarizing an attitude. When curious if something is a local expat attitude or a more universal thought process, I employ Facebook pages focused on other expat areas in Mexico. Without using her name, of course, or the events, I simply summarize the situation in one line, her response in the second, quote, "I don't care what the locals are doing," and the third stated, "I'm thinking of putting that on a t-shirt and making a fortune from local gringos, just to lighten the mood." Well, the Facebook gods and goddesses are nothing if not quick. I was flooded with replies, mainly falling into the following category. One was, "She may not care, but it will affect her." Another was, "Holy Thursday is a worldwide holy day, not a local event." And the third was, "If she is that disinterested in what goes on around her, why does she live here?" In the gal's defense, we in San Miguel de Allende do have a lot of processions and faith-based events. It's a huge part of the city's charm, and I can't imagine most foreigners know when it is the Virgin Mary's birthday or why baby Jesus wears yellow on February 2nd as he gambles the cobblestone streets. However, Holy Week is huge and hugely attended, literally bringing the town to a standstill for days. It would be difficult not to notice or have a vague understanding of what's going on. Well, the author saw the Facebook post and wrote me to ask if I was referring to her, and if so, 1, could she get a percentage of the t-shirt sales? Proving that the sense of humor escaped her totally. 2, she thought she sounded like an ugly American. And 3, not being Catholic or even Christian, how could she be expected to understand such type of events? That really these local customs were of no relevance to her. So, I don't know why, but some folks arrive to town to live and become so very, very ugly. As always, feel free to click the subscribe now button below and you'll get automatic notifications of new videos as they're released here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende Secrets.